project is MagLeaf wind powered automatic traffic light density controller. This is the MagLeaf wind turbine, which is the major component in our project. The whole setup is lifted based on that ring type neodymium magnets, which will be used for this magnetic levitation principle. The light poles are placed facing each other, so the whole setup, this is the rotor which is lifted based on that magnetic, based on those magnets. These are the coils which act as a stator for the generator. This is the whole setup of the permanent magnet axial flux generator. When the wind strikes these blades, the blades rotate. This is the rotor which rotates, and thereby generating the output by the Faraday's basic law of electromagnetic induction. The AC power obtained can be seen in that CRO. The obtained AC power is fluctuating, so in order to get a constant DC supply, we are giving that supply to that of rechargeable battery. That rechargeable battery will help us to give a constant DC supply. The constant DC supply is given to the load. Here we have taken this whole kit, that is the traffic light density controller. In a normal junction, each and every route will be cleared based on the timing interval placed at that particular junction. So if at all, in order to clear a particular route based on the intensity of the vehicles, we have chosen this kit. This kit will sense the intensity in a particular route and will clear that route first, and the remaining routes will be cleared afterwards. These are the photodiodes and the IR LED sensors, which plays a key role in this whole setup. These will be acting as a transmitter and receiver. When I have interrupted this path, you can check. You can see the change in the LEDs, and this will indeed clear that particular path and will continue, and it will continue with the same setup, and the remaining routes will be cleared based on that intensity.